I believe we're live. We can double check that momentarily. Should be live. Twitch, hello? Hello? Nice. Very cool. Okay. And then let's go ahead and start. Yeah. Save this. Go ahead. Start. We better say hi to the Discord. Add everyone. We back. Writing a plugin to configure Neovim via CSS. Lol. Boom. Yeah, why not? Okay, that's good. Yo, what up, bro? 3V Prime and Soil's alive. What's up, everybody? Okay. Let's begin, shall we, chat? Oh, Brandy. The baby's very good. Let's go. Lua, now CSS. Exactly. What's up, Slendy? Daniil. Guitar. Goodsies. Yeah, baby is doing great. We're home, obviously. Been home for a little while. Feels good. Oh, my VODs. Yeah, they go on the VODs channel. They get uploaded eventually. What up, Lenny? Swag is on. True. Same for me, obviously. What's up, Sammy? YouTube chat, hello. All right. So, chat, here we are. Isn't it kind of terrifying how this actually kind of works, chat? Hello, cult leader. That sounds about right. Configuring Neovim with CSS. Yep, sounds about right. You know, after switching to NixOS, I thought it was time to ditch Lua. Glad I can do it in CSS now. Yes, declarative configuration. Yum. You got, eventually you'll get there, Fiddle. Karu, Sammy, I'm doing great. Doing very good. Is this Vim Studio Code? It is. This is Vim Studio Code. I've been on the Neovim config grind the last 3 weeks and it's been such a roller coaster. Nice. The baby. When's the baby due? What baby? Ha. Ryan Regan? Anybody? 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 It's a great bit. The baby at the zoo. The pandas. But baby is doing very good. Mama's doing good and baby is doing good. The baby. Hey, geek. It's like you go up to the store and you ask, you're in the store and you ask someone, you know, as a conversation starter, like, how's the baby doing? It's like, or when's the baby due? What baby? Oh. What's up, Nightshade? Fail win. I love it already. Yep. Okay. I thought you were writing LSP for CSS and then rereading the title 3 times. Still not sure what's happening. We're going to configure Neovim with CSS. Or is it hi, did I'm back? Hey, thanks for the tier 1 VS. Visadrin. Visadrin. I actually don't know how to say your name. Dad? Wait, did that not play? It didn't play, did it? Nothing played, did it? Let's test. Hello? Okay, we'll start this over. Maybe I scuffed it. I don't know. It's been running randomly. We'll see you later, I guess. Defy? Dang, 20 minutes.
Properly tail recursive.
Okay, now it's it just hates Defy.
My favorite.
What can I say? Who this new streamer? It's fine. It's my name without most of the vowels. I'm Adrian. Got it. It better not be Visual Studio Adrian. That better not be what the VS stands for. Sapphics, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. So where were we last time, chat? Oh crap, I have to change my name now. Visual Studio Adrian? I was asleep. Vimdrian, thank you. I would say good for a newborn. Is Prime son? Who's streaming? Yes. That makes Prime a grandpa. What's next? Configuring Neovim with JavaScript? Never! Mohit, welcome. Hey. Hi, YouTube chat. I hate you for pointing that out. Now I can't go back to Blissful Industry. Yeah. Does new baby use him? Yes. Well, actually, I lied. Sorry. We in this family
recursive like yes. OCaml is actually my favorite.
We did the gender. I revealed the gender when the baby was born. I got to say it's a boy, so that was exciting. Configuring them with OCaml already possible. Callum, thanks for the prime. So I have to be honest, chat, with everyone. We did not start the baby out with Neovim. As is my family's policy, we started the baby off with VS Code because it's an editor for babies. We got him, boys. The beep didn't work. Yeah, I know. Oh no, should've just gone with JetBrains. Yeah. Got him! Mic drop moment. He's not under GPL v3. He is not. You cannot copy him. But he's doing great. Yeah, his name is Mordecai, by the way, chat. So there you go. That's as much info as we'll tell you. But yeah, it's very exciting. So you'll probably hear me say Kai or Mordecai. I think Neovim is getting close to being, you could go pretty far with no plugins. Yeah, Andre, I agree. Okay. I can't spell that name. Mordecai, like this. Oh, seriously, congrats. Hey, thanks, Adrian. Appreciate it. Are you ready to figure out the rest of this? Monokai. Monokai, yes. I named him after a color scheme that I don't like very much. Oh, hey, Wolfram, did he say, thanks for streaming? I was down last 2 days. Hopefully make it better. Nice. Yes, hopefully. Yes. Sounds like a font name. Mordekaiser. No, chat, it's a Bible name. If he gets bullied at school, joke's on you guys. The only way that would happen is if I bully him because he's going to be homeschooled. Mordecai Rigby. No. Is this a That Regular Show reference? No. Is that the name of the cartoon bird? Isn't that Morty? I don't know. I don't know, chat. Benson gonna be bad. I don't know who that is. Key match structured after keyframes. We already thought about that, Rainbow, but it's not that. Mordecai from Regular Show. I've never watched Regular Show. Never met Mordecai out of Regular Show. I still don't know what Regular Show is, chat. So it was not a reference to that. You should watch Regular Show. It's amazing. Cartoon. Got it. Maybe I'll check it out. We'll see. Just from the Book of Esther. There you go, Adrian. Nice. Good job. That's correct. Is a cartoon card or not? Nice. Are you live on Twitch? I am. I am live on both. Yes. Even with the Regular Show. My man loves Twitter so much he named his son after a blue bird. Wait, is the Twitter... Not the Twitter bird's name wasn't Mordecai, was it? Teachcoin economy still collapsed. Yes, I have to set up some stuff. The other thing I still need to track down, Ibra, is I need to figure out how to get Cloudflare to correctly protect from DDoS, because the last few times we opened up the economy, someone kept on spamming non-existent routes with the N-word in it to try and DDoS me. So we need to solve some other broader problems with connecting the internet because apparently people were being weenies. Okay, so I have to solve a few other issues. We expected too much from chat. Yes, I know. They thought they were being very funny. If only your last name started with a G, then he'd be MSG. True, Nightshade. Good point. Thank you. Hey, thanks, Rozzo. Appreciate it. Big Uncle Sam trying to keep Teachcoin. True. Always bet against chat. I know. I just thought it would take longer. I thought I would have to reach more like primetime viewership before people thought it would be funny to troll with N-word routes. You know what I'm saying? Like I thought that we had a little bit more wiggle room before I had to solve stupidity like that. But what can you do? What can you do? Get wrecked, chat. You got him, Nightshade. TGDV. That's me. That is such a good emote, though. The Did I Break It one. This song is... This is good. This is good stuff right here. Nightshade, put it back in regular chat. First time chatter on emote only. Welcome to the chat, Blanco GG. I hope you have fun. Our mods around here are very friendly. You can make fun of them without fear of getting banned, for sure. Boomers love emote only. Yeah, so it is... So just to confirm, chat, it is not a regular show reference. Who is Mordecai regular show? Is he a good character or a bad character? This guy's name is Mordecai? Oh, sorry, buddy. I've seen pictures of this guy before. That's okay. Many times, people, you share names with lots of people, some good, some bad. Boomers don't know how to leave emote selector. True. You didn't Google the name first? He's cool. Okay, that's fine then. Mordecai the Goat. All right, well, he's good. You didn't Google the name first. I already know. How is DDoS with N-word funny? That's what I'm wondering, Cephix, as well. Yeah, Petri, one of our main goals for the homeschool experience is to provide something that is morally and emotionally equivalent to the regular school experience. So generally, we make them sit alone. We make them not be part of the popular group if they have interests and fun that they would like to explore. If they want to play sports, then they're not allowed to be nice, etc. This kind of thing. So everything at home is exactly a 2000s high school rom-com dramedy. Steal their lunch money. FBI for listening, that's a joke. We love our kids and we actually are excited to homeschool them. Yeah. Push your kid, exactly, yes. No bullying, no trauma. I know. This all of the premier, most lasting effects of schooling. High school rom-com drama. Did you like that, Mincer? He's gonna be well prepared for life. Good to know. Exactly. Yeah. Sitting at the cool kids table. Make my son sit alone and sitting with the wife like, hey, dude, if you were cool, you'd have a date too. Oh, man. A scene to watch on how to homeschool your kid. I can't watch this right now. We'll get DMCA'd, but that's fine. Drama D's what? There's lots of, like, I went to public school. It was fine. There's lots of good public schools. I just think we can do, with an Avril Lavigne subject, yeah. I think we can do better. That's basically it. You're a loser. That's not what your mom said. That's a good one. So, and I want to do the best I can for my kiddos. That's part of my job. All right. Anyways, here's where we are in the situation right now, chat. We can currently set options this way. So watch this. If we resource this file, see how the numbers disappeared? And we can set these back. We could just do like only number here. We can set this and it goes to just doing numbers. True. Boom. Relative numbers. So we can set options right now. So that's pretty cool. You're doing a full-time real job. Would you still homeschool? Yeah. Yeah, definitely. It would probably be easier because I would be done like regular hours. All right, sounds good, Nightshade. Don't use GS and you'll be good. Exactly. Slendy, in what file type? Thanks, Nightshade. So then we also did key maps already, so this was working. I think our next step is to figure out how can we do plugins. TSX. I don't know. It could be that you don't have. Do you have Tree Sitter installed for that language? I don't know. TSX. Yeah, I don't know. Like, it should work. This cursed, I absolutely love it. Thank you. If you want to have autocomplete here, you have to create a new LSP, or you can extend any existent Lua. Any autocomplete here, you would need to do something with a new like CSS LSP or something. I'd love to see the documentation for this plugin. Actually, we don't need documentation. The code is self-documenting. This file is self-documenting, by the way. So I do use oil, yeah. All right, so the next thing that we need to do is we need to figure out how we can get all of these plugins, the information. Every code is self-document, exactly. So I'm trying to think what like, is our best option to do this with lazy? Like, we just use lazy under the hood. Maybe we should use like Mini's package manager one. Is there any real benefit of doing this? No. Don't do this. Don't do this. But this is going to be very funny. Yes, just for laughs. Feel the focus when you close your eyes. Can you see my power level rising? It means easier. Everybody loves to understand stuff related to Tree Sitter. Wait, I want to use this. You will still be able to use it. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. Right? But it will still allow it. So the main problem here is like I need some way to download these. I saw. To be easier for front enders to get out of the dark side. No. This is literally just for memes. See someone works on Neovim course like the old days you've seen around a server and you're like, wow. Well, thank you. Front end devs literally can't do so. I wonder if we should do this as at setup instead. I don't really know. Ain't no way bringing CSS. Oh, we're bringing it. Next project, CSS runtime, build a web server. So we need some way to download these. The simple option is we just git clone them. And they go to a separate runtime spot. What up, Priv? Can you explain how this plugin is going to work? Sure, you will write a file with a init.css. It will run this, and then your Neovim will be set up. Rip video on enter chat. What? I don't know. No, it should be working. Should be working.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, actually my favorite.
I wonder if
Gentlemen, you can't fight in here. This is the war room.
Oh, whoops. Where is live streams?
Francesco likes this McQueen. It's really getting him into the zone.
Okay, so I have something wrong with detecting that we're live. So I need to fix this. I need to fix this problem later. Okay, so we didn't have something that detects if we're live. That part got broken. That part got broken. Are you doing this because Jared the Bundler said CSS would be a great config DSL? Yes. That's literally what gave me the idea of this would be funny to do. We're not going to actually have CSS. Like, CSS isn't getting built in. It's just collecting dust. Good job, Petra. Thank you. With CSS just right now, they're true. So I'm thinking we just literally git clone these. But the other thing we could check is mini nvim. Because he has a package manager in here. It's like mini pack or something, right? I thought mini depth. Oh, it's mini depths. Got it. Because maybe we can just yoink this.
Hello there.
Oh, hello there.
Recursion.
Add a plugin.
It's a difficult topic, but I think I finally have the best definition.
Okay, because this is basically what we would want to do here. What's up, Darcy? Hello there. Why mini? Because I can embed it more easily, I feel like. Because I would just literally go and copy like Lua mini. Where's depths? Because this doesn't require anything, right? Okay, so I can literally just copy paste this file in here, right? And then I would have it. Oh, oops, h.add. Hey, thanks, Baru. Can you create a plugin to fix the Twitch mobile ads next? I would like that. What's up, Darcy? I'm wondering why you want a plugin manager in a plugin manager. I don't know why you want a plugin manager in a plugin manager. What do you mean? Oh, hopefully these are working. Chat, don't do stuff with coins right now. I think you're getting the coins, but you just can't do anything with them right now. I actually don't know. That's a good question. Those may not be working. Send at Darcy 5.
Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley.
But then we should turn the rest. We should turn these off. I don't think they're working right now.
I was 8 when I met Mary Kate. That was actually the same day
that I met Ashley. Okay. Teach coin value my student. Is a mini manager for mini plugins? No. Mini is a mini package manager for all plugins. It is a package manager. Confidently waste my points and I get nothing. No, I just sent you 5 coins. I just sent them to you, Darcy. I send you the coins. Custom teach custom sent, probably skill issue 5 to your Twitch user ID right there, Darcy. I got you. I just got lazy made. No, this will be separate from lazy. You need a separate installation for these, I feel like, right? Does already custom parser support the at syntax? No, it's already there. Like it's already here. See? Look, at keyword, key maps. We already got it all with Tree Sitter. Twitch user ID screenshotted. Gonna use it to embezzle Teach coins later. Market crashes on Twitter. Yes, the Teach coin economy is crashing. Okay. So we do need to figure this out though. Or we could do first, before we try and figure this out, we could just try and collect all the info that we need. It's collect. I put all my savings in Teachcoin. That's what we like to call in the business a skill issue. So we could just steal this whole, we could just go like this. Yoink. That's mine now. Do you think we can convince Contra that Teachcoin is too big to fail? That's a surefire way of getting a lot of money for no reason. So I do like that idea. At the expense of the American people. Do we get to cash in on some sweet drip with the coin? Yes, of course. Obviously, everything will be great. So here's what let's try and do something. Let's try and do something here. We need to do, we'll just test this part really quick. So we can do local depths is require failwind depths. What is going on? Depths dot add. Don't I need to like set this up or something though? Depth setup replace with your config table config. Overall, this feature in this module uses array of plugin specification setup. I like group, add plugin. Is there a way where I can say where we want this to set up config? Default config. Minideps.config. Minideps.config. Job, path. Okay, so we could change this, but so let's just try this. We'll try this for right now. Let's do something simple, like we'll do, that's fine. We'll just add this. Test plugin manager. Failwind.depths not found. Failwind. Oh, do I not have this on my runtime path? I must not. Set RTP plus equals dot. Okay, cool. Directory I found in pack path, pack opt tree sitter. Do I need to do depths dot setup or something? Okay. Let's install a color scheme that we don't have right now. Colors. What did I just do? Color schemes. Okay. Which do you draw more, Ash versus Phoenix in dev experience? It's tough to say. Didn't do a ton of Ash. We'll come back to it later though. At some point. Okay, so we'll remove Mountain Dew from here. Clean. Oh, whoops, I meant clean. There we go. Okay. And we'll go Failwind. And let's try and do this. Depths add this. Oops. So that should install Mountain Dew. Now, do I have color scheme Mountain Dew already? Oh. Okay. Beautiful. So now, if we go and check local share nvim site depths pack parser pack depths opt. Okay. Do it. Okay. So if we instead chat, we go to the definition here, we can say mostly copied from mini.deps. Shout out to Echanovsky. I can never spell his Echanovsky like this. On the GitHubs. Okay. I don't. We'll just leave most of that. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So we should have somewhere it says depths. Or wait, what was it again? Yeah, depths. Why did depths? Site. Is this what this is supposed to look like? Why is this so ugly looking? Why is all this red? What is going on? Do you also hear the intros? I do, yeah. Any thoughts about configuring like HCL and Pickle? I don't really have any thoughts about them. What is going on here? Okay, whatever. All right. Well, what is happening here? This should replace tree sitter with. We should replace tree sitter with CSS. Exactly. Okay. Anyways, what we need to do is there should be some spot. Wait, where did we have mini depths config? Right here. Path.package. Where is this used? Get full path. G sub this, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Get package path. Start path. Pattern here. Aha! Right here. Pack/depths. Okay, I think I gotta go back to... I actually can't read this. Okay. I don't know. Something is getting scuffed with this though, which is crazy. I don't know what's going wrong. Okay. I don't need anything else. I don't want... Oh, whoops. G/... Okay. Okay, so let's find, where do we have pack/depths start path here. So we want to find all of these and we want to turn them into something else. Didn't you disable tree sitter? I don't think so. That was a separate installation. What do you use for parsing CSS? Tree sitter. Okay, pack/depth. So everywhere we see this, instead we want to go CSS. I think. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so let's try this again. Plugins, CSS.nvim. Unfinished string near here. Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's why it's messed up. Okay, that's fine. We got to copy this again.
Made it properly tail recursive.
That's why.
Yes. OCaml is actually my favorite.
Okay, so everywhere we had this, though, we can still switch this. Everywhere we have pack/depths, we want to change this to pack/CSS. G. Okay. All right, let's try this again. Installed Mountain Dew. Nice. Lime, hey, thanks for the sub. Five months, though. That's pretty wild. Thank you. I do use Awesome WM. You're correct, Snee. Okay, so with this, what I would expect to have is that inside of pack, we now have CSS, opt, Mountain Dew. Yes. Nice. So now we have our own. We've got our own going on right here. So this is like our separate installation pass. Our separate installation pass, which is awesome. So everywhere we see mini.deps, failwind.deps. Oh, and we probably should do everywhere we say pack/CSS. This should probably be pack/failwind, just so that we use the same name for everywhere, right? So now this should say failwind deps installed Mountain Dew NVim. We should be able to color scheme Mountain Dew it. We should be able to go here and get pack, and we have failwind right here. Beautiful. Awesome. Dr. Neon Twitch, thank you. Thanks. Yeah, but the community version is pretty useful though. Oh, you weren't joking on Twitter. I love it. No. Me? Joking? On the interwebs? Oh my goodness. Chat, let me go back to easy words. I literally can't read the other words. I'm sorry. That was a reading skill issue. I felt like what Prime must feel like on stream when he tries to read something. You know what I'm saying? There you go. What's up, Dave? Dave, check this out. Well, don't check out this theme. That was just a test. Okay, that was just a test. Ignore that part. That part was just a test. Okay. Should be good now is all he does. You guys forgot this part. You guys forgot stuff like...
Whoa, that's crazy. I can't believe you wrote that.
Like, you can't forget that part of the experience, too. You know what I mean? That takes a lot of time away from reading. So it's a little tough to say, Robbo. So Dave, check this out. It's just configuring Neovim with some CSS. What do you think? Can you do it again, please?
Whoa, that's crazy. Oh, I totally agree.
There you go. Exactly right, Heretic. This is basically like we just get an AST from here and then we evaluate the AST.
Guys, can we just all agree? This right here. This right here. That's a good take. Okay? One's in the chat if you agree. One's in the chat.
Did you switch to what? Do you switch for Waylon in future? What your future be? What? Stefani, I don't understand what your question is. You see the Prime Gen Rick and Morty? Yes. You mean the one with me in it? You should perma switch to this voice. I hear gives you 10x the viewers. Yeah, I did see it. It was very funny. I don't know Rick and Morty, so some of the jokes were lost on me, but it seemed very funny without knowing that. I'm sure it was even funnier if you knew the show. Okay, let's try and find this right here, chat. We need to find inside of plugins, We need to write ourselves a little query right here. Why did this not oh, this needs to also be query like this. Wait, why didn't this work? I thought this was gonna work. Hello? Is my parent for not working inside of here? All right, let's try this again. There we go. Okay, awesome. The other thing I wanted to do was I lost some of these in my all right, let's try this. Cool. All right, let's try this again. Also, there's no chat on screen. Oh, you're right, Dan. That's a good point. I don't have chat on screen. Can't remember what I had this set up as exactly before. Test. All right, there you go. When it said message on WhatsApp and it's not synced, then the convo transcends time. Executive producer Dan Vale, true. Did you write tokenizer build AST? No. We just use tree sitter, so we don't have to do very much. Are Dan need paternity leave? He's heartless. Yeah. We are so back. We are so back. Man, it really is a lot. Let me figure out, how did I do that CSS thing before? Like 10, something like this. No, that's not what we want at all. Oh, that's too, oh, right, this needs to be like 0.1. Test. That's better, at least. I can't watch streams without my name yesterday. Makes sense. Does anyone know whether parsers like the Go parser are written in tree sitter, or do they have some sort of translation layer for tree sitter support? Almost no languages, their official parsers are written in tree sitter. Almost none. They would write something else, and then you write a completely separate thing that does tree sitter support. As I've tried to write token I really thought about becoming a potato farmer. Probably we're not writing it in OCaml then, because it's great in OCaml. Is it possible to use Kanban board that we can track all activities? Just make sure in the Kanban board you have Kanban tracking activity time so that you can move that from started to start to stop each day. Very important. All right, so we need to get this block here. Rule set, selectors. What is shift width for this? Should be 1. Huh. Selectors. Then we want to do pseudo class selector. right? So that's here. So this is how we get the repo. What we need to do is we need to find pseudo class selector with an argument string. So we want to do class name. Oops, name. And then we'll put this whole thing inside of one of these, and we'll go equals at class repo. Perfect. Start like this, chat. Rust, but I don't think my issues were language. Yeah, well, Rust makes some things that usually are easy difficult. Tracer error reporting is not great. Yes, tracer error reporting is good for error recovery inside of an editor, not for providing amazing diagnostics for language analysis. Do you have any baby updates? Baby is born. That's the update. Mordecai was born last week. On a day. Last week. And yeah, he's here. We're home. We're having fun. Living the dream. He's alive. Doing awesome. Very handsome. Why use Rust when you have Go? Gross. Okay. All right, so with this, we can also do no, this needs to be here. This needs to be here, and we need to say arguments string value plugin. Nice. But lots of hair, actually. Good amount of hair. Mordecai, shoot, I was hoping you'd name him for a chat poll. Yes. I almost did. Whoever first gifts 1,000 subs gets to name my baby. Or we could have done a Mr. Beast challenge. Stay 100 days in a bunker, and if you last, you can name my child. But I didn't do that. So I was thinking about it, though. Mordecai already uses VS. Yes, that's true. It's an editor for babies, so I allow my son to use it until he's 2 or 3. Up to him. So, what can you do?
Properly tell.
Why adding cancer? It's a good question. Waylon, what's up, buddy? Favorite. Hey, thanks for the sub. Take my Bezos bucks. I will. It's age appropriate. It's an age appropriate tool. People always say use the right tool for the job. That's why I let my newborn start on VS Code instead of Neovim. Something like this. Probably could have workshopped that a little bit better, but that seems fine. Okay. You monkey type fast. I'm a pretty fast monkey typer, Waylon. Yeah. Okay, so now we're able to get the plugin. Here's the plugin. Now we have basically a plugin spec here. So then this is, after this, there should be probably here, right? There should be a block at plugin config. Nice. Beautiful. Super mad if they could read. I know. Did you not censor VS for your son? I do in real life as well. It just comes out as a beep naturally. Okay, sweet. So now we have the plugin config. So we could sort out what we need to do for the rest of these. Yeah. I care for my kids. That's why I let them play with age-appropriate toys. All right. Yeah, Lemon, I don't know what you're talking about. His first word would probably be beep, exactly. If you can't take a joke, you're probably... Oh, man. This one might get them. But they probably won't read through 3 whole messages. You know what I'm saying? by this time in the thread, VS users probably just asking Copilot to summarize this for them and write a mid response that they think is hilarious. What if your son grows up and likes Java? That'd be fine. Bruh. Chat, my filter is frayed. The lack of sleep makes me more likely to do this. You know what I'm saying? You gotta blame it on middle of last week, Sam. So we've been home for a few days now and stuff. All right, so now we have the plugin config. So we should probably add something like this. Okay. Tailwind. Your son use a dactyl? No, not yet. Just voice to text right now. That will be Cobalt when son's old enough. No chance he'll like it, or he'll be filthy rich, which is okay. Exactly. I believe in him. Okay. Where were we even here? Okay, so all the rest of these are evaluating here. So let's go.
Okay.
This is basically like evaluate plugin specs. Local evaluate plugin spec. All right, then we need to yoink this, and we'll do. We just have our queries up here. Whoops. Local plugin spec query, tree sitter query parse, and then this needs to be CSS. He needs VS Code with Fisher Price theme. Yeah, exactly. We're so back. Congrats on now being number. Thanks, Nick Sauce. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good so far. Very fun. The kiddos love the new baby, which is great. Super fun. It's very adorable watching your kids just like be very excited that a new kid is there. Super fun. Believe it or not, better than becoming more than a senior engineer. This is kid number 3. Because of GDB and trying to improve with Kai, but it's not true. Well, why not just go back just for debugging then? That seems fine. If anything, I would just buy JetBrains and use their debuggers instead. Okay, so given this query parse, plugin spec, blah, 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 we have a plugin spec query. Okay, so we need to just do the same strategy that we did last time, this kind of goofy strategy here. Which is, we'll go here with this and buff number, root node. Okay. I mean, like unironically, Lemon, you should use what you're liking, right? If you feel productive and happy, like with debug situation inside of VS Code or some other editor, then you should just use those. You don't have to like make Neovim do every single thing. If you only spend, 10% of the week in the debugger, why not just open something else up to do debugging? That seems fine. But if you like the rest of the time editing and doing everything inside of Neovim, just do both, But I don't know your workflow or what you're working on or anything else about what you're doing. So that part makes it a little bit more complicated to say. Whoops. This needs buff number, root node. Okay. Whoops. But there's nothing like... But I'm saying like feels cheap. That's not a good reason to be upset. Like if it's working well for you, then it seems fine. That'd be my perspective on it, at least. Okay, so what we need to find is the plugin and plugin config. So we need local plugin is find. What did we call this again? We called this get capture IDX, right? Get capture IDX plugin and plugin config. Okay. And so now we should be able to do local plugin name, evaluate CSS value. What is this parser? What is parser buff number node? Parser buff number here. This needs to take parser then. We can go down to, oops, down to here. Print plugin name. Plugin name. Oh, right. Well, did we get this far? Print evaluating plugin spec. Oh, but this probably isn't echo nvim get current buff 29. Okay, buff number is 29. Beautiful. Sweet. So we grab the 2 plugin names out of here now. Dude, I use IntelliJ for debugging, but nothing else. Yeah, that's space. I'm with you. I think I think IntelliJ's debugging stuff is really good, especially for some languages, dude. It's got crazy support. At my first startup job, we had this awesome setup with PyCharm where we could do remote debugging into our like production server, where anytime we had an exception that was raised, it would basically like park that process separately, set it out aside and like keep it up so you could attach to the process that had a crash. You could go explore what was wrong, run stuff in like the Django like add or Django like REPL and everything. You could evaluate things, see what was going on. It was so cool. And then like you just fix it. You just be like, yeah, I fixed this exception. Took this blah blah, this thread blah, blah, solved this sentry issue blah, blah, and then it was like you were done. And it was like, oh my goodness, that was awesome. We had it all set up. You just literally opened up Sentry, clicked a thing, and you were debugging on prod. Wild. Yeah, it was so cool.
God himself puts his arms around you.
New magnetiles. I was going pretty hard on the magnetiles this weekend, chat. Chat, look at this cantilever though. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at this. Am I right? That's a 2x2 hanging off the edge. No big deal. Just trying out some cantilever. Also built a tunnel in my last one for the kiddos, so. This one was sweet, though. Parking garage up top. You know what I'm saying? This was cantilevered parking garage. Look at this. Show the meal preps? What? Oh, this wasn't meal preps. This was my friend Sam. Hi, Sam. I don't know if you're here today. My IRL friend Sam made us mac and cheese and pulled pork and some peach cobbler since we just had a baby, which was awesome. And it was super delicious. Okay, what are your thoughts between... Yeah, 10 out of 10s. It was so good. It was so good. What are your thoughts between Laravel, Phoenix, Golang, or Rails? I have not tried Rails seriously, so I don't have any comparison. Laravel and Phoenix do seem really good though. You can stop bragging. We know you have IRL friends. I know. I really like both of them. For son. All right, so now we need to do. I think we can do something like local. This. Let's do local plugin config text is this, and then print plugin config text. So this should be sweet. Wonderful. Vim user, IRL friends, pick one. Joke's on you guys. My IRL friend is a Vim user. So now what? That's the secret loophole. That's the secret loophole. You know? Not only that, he thinks OCaml is cool. I have the best IRL friends, chats. You wouldn't understand. Okay, so sweet. So we get this text. That's great. That's what I wanted to know. Now we need to do like evaluate plugin config. So we need to do this. Evaluate plugin config. Here we go. Cool. Great. Vim, IRL user, Vim friends. Boom. Yeah, heretic. It's kind of like the exception proves the rule, if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so for this one, we want to find out... We basically need to have a bunch of separate little queries to find these items, I think. Like we can find a declaration with setup and it's got string value and string value. What does this even look like? So we have declaration, property name, and then we have string value. Okay, so both of those match. That's great. That's great, actually. Okay. Friends are cool until Christmas and birthdays and holidays. Think you're a paid actor from Big NVim. I'm a false flag for Neovim users. It's a false flag operation. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
I've got the documents. Oh, that was too deep. I've got the documents. He's a false flag user for Neovim. He's turning the users Lua.
Oh man, that's a good one, chat. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that one a lot. What the heck? Got a jump scare.
You should be scared. Tej is a plant. He's a fake Neovim user.
Of course we're doing tree sitter, my sitters. Post the psyop cat. I won't do it. Local setup query. Parse. Oops. I wonder if we can put this. That's fine. Unused setup query. Okay, so let's see. This is in setup query, and we can go plugin config node, and then we should be able to do local value. Value IDX is here, and then we can do local value is this print setup value like this. Mini AI, mini surround. Embrace, extend, extinguish. Okay, chat. So now we were able to pull out mini AI and mini surround. Okay. So what this means, we're going to have basically like a local config like this. We need to make a new type. So we'll make like a new class. failwind dot plugin spec. It's got a field of name. Yep. And it's got at field setup. Right now, this could be just a string list like this. So then this would be plugin name like this. Plugin name. We can go name is plugin name.
Ocaml is actually my favorite.
It's actually my favorite too. Thanks. What up, Dylan? Dylan, huge raid. What's up, Dylan? Don't worry. This is a good idea. Congrats on the engagement and the engagement farming, by the way, Dylan. Both were excellent, it looked like. The name of my font is Berkeley Mono. Thanks, Sam. Love when the convo starts with, this is a great idea. It's a great idea. So I was thinking, what if we just configured Neovim with CSS? And so now we're doing that. I won't be taking any further questions at this time. I won't be taking any further questions. Anyways. Boom. All right, so now, hypothetically, chat. Hypothetically, we can return this config. And now we should be able to say, all right, when we have this, we can say plugin config is this, print vim inspect plugin config, yeah. Failwind, my favorite plugin already, exactly. Oh, config. We'll do that. Okay. Sweet. Yes. When is the Windows version releasing? It'll automatically support Windows from day one. Day one Windows support. Okay. So here you go. Here's an example, chat. We just solved this here. We are parsing mini NVIM, and then we have mini AI, mini surround. Will this be hex RGB only, or can we use wheats and tomatoes? I don't know what that joke is. So I don't understand. All right, so let's pick a plugin. I should pick a plugin I don't already have that we could easily see that it was working. Like if we go back to Mini, it's not a CSS programmer. That's for sure. I don't know anything about CSS. We're just doing this for the memes. Does he have a colors one? Tweak and save any color? No. Hues? No. Highlight patterns and text. High patterns. That one could be good. I need one that I don't already have in here. Maybe like sessions. Or split join. That would work. This is program with no color aliases. Yeah, Chad, I don't know anything about it. Ooh, highlight and remove trailing spaces. Okay, nice. So right now, if I have this, it doesn't do anything. Okay, cool. So let's change this to be mini.trailspace. Mini.trailspace. Okay. So now what are we going to do? When we go here, we should get mini.trailspace. Awesome. So for each of these, what are we going to do as well? We're going to yoink this. We'll go to plugin spec here. We'll do this and this. That's good. And then we need to go here and we need to say the very simple version, deps.add, config.name. This doesn't have a type yet, does it? So we can go here and we can say, I don't really care for any of those, but this is failwind.pluginspec. Okay. Oh, not failwind.pluginspec, like this. Okay. So plugin name here, and then we should be able to add this plugin, and then we need to go basically for setup in here. We want to go require setup dot setup, something like this. This should print setting up setup like this. Okay, so we'll just try this, chat. We'll just try it. Let's just see what happens. We open up a new Neovim, here, and we go to our we go to here because we want to restart this. We execute this. Invalid buffer name 29. Oh, right. 29. Okay, so we actually need to open this file. Let's change this to be vim.fn.buff add over the buffer list with name, which will be a string, home, TJ Debris, plugins, CSS.nvim, examples, init CSS. That should work, I think. What? Buff load. Okay. So we did add this and we installed this mini trail space. So now if I go like this, Lua mini trail space. I thought this was supposed to highlight this. I guess I don't know what this does. It loaded it. It did load it. Inspect. Maybe it's just a highlight that I don't know. I should probably add this to the plugin loading stuff, but I would have thought that this would make it so that it loads it. Plug. Let's do here. Let's make a plugin directory here. That's fine. We can go here and go into this and deps plugin failwind.lua. Whoops. We paste this, so that should load that right at the start. Oh, but then this won't add them until later still. I don't know. We'll try this again. Tailwind. Okay, let's just quit out of this entirely. I don't think we can do both these at the same time. It's a little too confusing. Let's try this again. Tailwind. Boom, boom. Okay, why do we even have a swap file for this? This shouldn't be getting loaded anywhere. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay. LSP stop. Whoops. Stop. Huh, maybe I don't understand what trail space is supposed to do. Let's watch this to see. Maybe I don't understand. Okay, that's what I thought. That's what I thought it should do too. Maybe I need to do it this way. I don't know. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out features here. White space trim. Mini trail space dot trim. Okay, so it did work. I don't know why it's not highlighting. Maybe I'm supposed to do something different. Trim always highlights only done in model hover for only normal and stops in insert when leaving window. Okay. It definitely loaded it though, so that part's cool. I don't know why it's not showing the highlight. Maybe I don't have the highlight. I changed the theme based on prefers color scheme. I'll think about exploring some color scheme options as well as we go further. But this actually did, chat, to be clear, what's happening? We downloaded this plugin and set it up just with this. So this CSS is what's doing all the work right now. That's what's doing all of the work to actually make this happen. So that's pretty fun. This file is almost all working, which is hilarious. You could actually do like a bunch of stuff in this so far. Okay, I gotta go run to the bathroom quick, and then we'll solve. And I'm gonna go grab a little more coffee. Then we'll solve how to start handling this idea. Wow. Hey, fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know. Wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks everybody. See ya.